Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how to change language on Subway Surfers. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. Next, you will see settings options on top right corner. You have to click on that and scroll down a bit. There you will see language option on your screen. You have to click on that. Here you can see various options of languages. You can select any of them according to your preference. After selecting them, you can click on back and language will be changed. So this is how you change language in Subway Surfer. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.